everyone, I Yashi Bharadwaj, working as an assistant professor in ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad, in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering Data Science, is going to deliver a lecture on the numericals based on delays in computer network. In the previous lecture, we have already discussed what is delays and types of delays. Basically, we have 4 types of delays: transmission delay, propagation delay, queuing delay, and processing delay. We have already discussed all these types of delays, and we have already discussed some numericals based on delays. So today we'll try to solve more type of questions based on delays. So moving forward, we have already discussed transmission delay, the notation used for transmission delay, that is TT or TD, we can say, and notation used for propagation delay, this is PD. So we have already discussed transmission delay and propagation delay and queuing delay and processing delay. So now directly we are moving to the numerical part. So this is the question. The question is saying that we have 2 computers X and Y connected via a single bandwidth 512 GB per second. First you have to write the values which I've already mentioned in the question. So this 512 Gbps is a bandwidth. So we'll write here bandwidth is given 512 GB per second. Now, they are saying that suppose that both hosts are separated by distance m meter. So distance is given and the distance is m. We'll write here m meters. Now, what they are saying is, and the propagation delay along the link is 2 into 10 to the power 9 meter per second. Means speed is given in the question. So speed is 2 into 10 to the power 9 meter per second. Now, computer X has to send a packet of size 1 kilobyte. So 1 kilobyte means packet size is given. So packet size means we denote the packet size with the help of L, and the packet size is 1 kilobyte. We'll write it like this. Okay. Now the question is asking that what will be the distance m such that the delay in propagation is equal to the delay in transmission. So what they are saying that we have to calculate the distance. Okay. And they are saying that propagation delay is equals to the transmission delay. So this is what they are saying. Okay. So the formula for calculating the transmission delay is length upon bandwidth. We have already discussed what is L. L means length of the packet size or size of the packet size of the packet, and B is bandwidth, and PD. PD is basically distance upon speed or velocity. So what is L? L is 1 kilobyte. So first we have to convert it into bits. So 1K is equals to 1024. So this is your in bytes. So we have to convert it into bits. So this will become 8 into 1024 bits. So we'll write it like this. Okay. And bandwidth is given. And bandwidth is 512 GB per second. So we have to convert it into bits per second. So what we'll write here? 512 multiplied by 10 to the power 9 bits per second. So we'll write here 512 multiplied by 10 to the power 9 bits per second. Now, what they are saying? Now distance and speed. So distance is m. In the question, this is mentioned that distance is m meter, and speed. Speed is 2 into 10 to the power 9 meter per second. So we'll write here. So there is no need to convert speed into kilometer because they are asking distance m in meters. They're asking you to find out distance in meters. So there is no need to convert speed into kilometers. So we'll solve this. Simple maths you have to use. Just do the cross multiply. Okay, first we'll cancel out this. Cancel bit to bit. Okay, just do the cross multiplication. M is equals to 1024 multiply by 8 multiply by 2 and 10 to the power 9. And this second will cancel out. So this will become 512 into 10 to the power 9. We'll cancel this. 1024 will be cancelled by this. Okay. And just do the simple multiplication. This will become 32. 8 into 216 and into 232. So this will become 32 meter. So the distance is 32 meter. So this is how you will solve such type of question. So now moving forward to the next question. Okay, so this question is very important. This question has been asked in GATE CS 2022. Okay, the question is saying that consider a 100 Mbps link between an earth station, which is a sender, and a satellite, which is a receiver, at an altitude of 2100 kilometers. So what I have told you, first write the given values which is mentioned in the question. So what is this? 100 Mbps is bandwidth. So we'll write here bandwidth is given 100 Mbps. So we'll do one thing, हम लोग साथ साथ ही इसको convert करते हुए चलते हैं. Okay, so just convert it into bits per second. So just do the simple conversion, 10 to the power 6 bits per second. Okay, next what they are asking, they're saying that satellite at an altitude of 2100 kilometer. So this 2100 kilometer is nothing but a distance. Okay, so distance is 2100 kilometer. Okay, now the signal propagates at a speed. So speed is given. Speed is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So speed is given in the question, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So what we'll do? We'll convert it into kilometer. So how you will do that? Just divide it by 1000. Okay, so this will become like this. Okay, now the question is saying that the time taken in milliseconds. See, in the previous lecture also I have told you that in such type of question, when you have to calculate the propagation time or transmission time, so you have to calculate that time in milliseconds or microseconds. So in this question, they have already mentioned that you have to calculate the time in milliseconds. Okay, and what they are saying is the time taken for the receiver to completely receive a packet of 100 bytes. So this, sorry, 1000 byte. What is this 1000 byte? This 1000 byte is nothing but L, which is a packet size. They are asking, this is in byte. So we have to convert it into bits. Just do the simple multiplication by 8. Okay. Now, what they are asking the time taken for the receiver, means we have to calculate the total time. See, we all know that what is delay. Delay is nothing but a time required, the total time required for a packet to travel from its source to its destination. Okay, so we have 4 type of delays: transmission delay, propagation delay, queuing delay, and processing delay. So the total time is basically transmission time plus propagation time plus queuing time plus processing time. So in most of the question, processing time and queuing time is nil. Okay, if they'll mention this in the question, then only you have to add, you have to find out the processing time and queuing time. But in this question, they have given you only propagation delay and transmission delay. So we have to calculate the total time. So first we'll calculate the transmission time. So transmission time is L by V, and L is basically 8000 bits. Okay, and this is 100 into 10 to the power 6 bits per second. What we'll do, we'll cancel out this. This 2 zeros will be cancelled and 1 0 will be cancelled. So this will become 8 upon 10 to the power 5 second. So what we'll do, we have to convert it into millisecond. So can we write it like this? So this will become 0.08 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3 second. So we can write it as 0.03 millisecond. So this is nothing but a transmission time. So this is your transmission time. Now we'll solve the propagation time. So how you'll solve it? Propagation time is nothing but distance upon speed. Distance is 2100 kilometer and speed is basically 3 into 10 to the power 5 kilometer per second. Okay, what you will do, cancel this by this. Okay, and do the simple maths, 700. Okay, 700 divided by 10 to the power 5. So we can write it like this. Okay, and this will go there. Okay, so we can cancel 2 zeros from here. So this will become 7 into 10 to the power minus 3 second, and this will become 7 milliseconds. So this is your nothing but a propagation delay. So this is how you will find out the propagation time or transmission time. Now In this question, what they are asking, we have to find out the time. So in short, we have to find out the total time taken by the packet. So total time is nothing but transmission time or propagation time. So the transmission time which we have find out is 0.8 millisecond. Okay, 0.08 millisecond, and propagation delay is 7 millisecond. Okay, 7 millisecond. So the answer would be 7.08 millisecond. So this is your total time. So this is how you will solve the questions which is based on delays. Okay, what you have to keep in mind, you have to keep in mind only the basic conversions. Okay, so in the upcoming lectures, we'll try to study more topics on computer network. Thank you.